How to fix WhatsApp not showing notifications. Not getting WhatsApp message alerts or sounds. Here's how to bring your notifications back to life. Open WhatsApp and go to settings. Then go to notifications. Ensure alerts for messages, groups and calls all are turned on. In your phone's main settings, allow WhatsApp to send alerts. On iPhone, go to settings, go to notifications and go to WhatsApp. Toggle everything on for WhatsApp right here. Battery savers, focus modes or do not disturb may silence notifications. Disable these to receive alerts instantly. On Android, clear WhatsApp cache. On iPhone, simply restart your phone. These steps can refresh the system's alert settings. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.